Hello students, we come to the last problem of exercise 7.2 which says find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. To find the area of a rhombus we need to know the formula of area of a rhombus. The area of a rhombus is given as the products of its diagonals. Okay, so it is half into the product of length of its diagonals, which means we'll have to find the length of its diagonal. So how does a rhombus look like? First of all, this is how a rhombus would look, and we are given 4 coordinates. So let us name this as A, B, C and D, and A will keep as 3, 0, B will be 4, 5, then C will be minus 1, 4 and D will be minus 2, minus 1. We need to find out this length AC and DB. Okay, so let us assume first, let A 3, 0, B 4, 5, C minus 1, 4, D minus 2, minus 1 be the vertices of rhombus ABCD. Okay, now we need to find out AC and BD. So AC will be equal to, let us take this. Okay, so we have here AC, right? So we'll take this as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. We'll use the distance formula to find out AC. So that would be x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. Usually the formula is what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is if there are only 2 points. Here we have 4 points and we are looking to find the diagonals, which means here it is the first and the third point, alternate points. So that's why it is x3 minus x1 and not x2 minus x1. x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. Let us find out what is AC. x3 is minus 1 and x1 is 3. So that will be minus 3 whole square plus y3 is 4 minus y1, which is 0 whole square. AC equal to square root of minus 1 and minus 3 gives us minus 4, that will be whole square, plus 4 minus 0 is 4 whole square. AC equal to square root of minus 4 whole square is 16 and 4 square is also 16. So we get AC equal to square root of 32. Okay, and this we can further get as 4 root 2 units. That would be the length of AC. Next we find out BD. So start BD over here. BD will be equal to, so just like AC we will have to see how to alter the formula a little bit. So this is B and this is D, which means we have to write x4 minus x2 whole square plus y4 minus y2 whole square, because it involves B and D, and we take the last one first. So that means x4 minus x2, y4 minus y2. BD, now we substitute the values. x4 is minus 2 minus x2 is 4 whole square plus y4 is minus 1 and y2 is positive 5, so that will be minus 5 whole square. BD equal to square root of minus 2 and minus 4 gives us minus 6 whole square, plus minus 1 and minus 5 gives us minus 6 whole square. BD equal to minus 6 whole square is 36, and again minus 6 is 36. So that gives us 72, square root of 72, which we can write as BD equal to 6 root 2 units. Okay, now we come to the main part, that is to find out the area of the rhombus. So area of rhombus ABCD is equal to half into the lengths of the diagonal. So lengths, I'll write it down for you, lengths of diagonals, and diagonals are which one? ACN into BD. We just found AC and BD. Let's use those values. AC is 4 root 2 and BD is 6 root 2. Now I'll keep the half that way. 4 into 6 gives us 24, and root 2 into root 2 gives us 2. So 2 into 24 gives us 48. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So which means we get 24 square units. Remember, it has to be square units and not units like this. These are just ordinary lengths, but this is an area that we are looking to find out. Okay, so that is how we find out the area of the rhombus. So if you like watching this video, click the like button. Please share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.